Salut les gars, on se retrouve pour une nouvelle vidéo. On va jouer à FNAF 1. Genre on va tenter de faire un maximum ou minimum la nuit 3. Et du coup on va commencer maintenant. Et évidemment n'oubliez pas de vous abonner, vous liker. Bien sûr si ça vous plaît, vous n'êtes pas obligé. Si ça vous plaît la vidéo, et j'espère que ça va vous plaire en tout cas. Bon, du coup on va commencer. Là on va faire la toute première nuit. Voilà, là on annonce, on cherche quelqu'un pour la Freddy Pizzeria, Fazbear. Et là on va commencer la première nuit. Donc un peu le son. On s'en fout. En gros, le but du jeu, en gros, on doit sauver 4 animatroniques. Il y en a 3 là. Il y en a un là. Là, le mec qui parle, on s'en fout. En gros, ils vont se déplacer. Ils vont tenter de mettre dans ma cabine, mais moi je vais les empêcher, sinon ils vont me tuer. Et du coup, on devra des fois sur les caméras, tout ça. Effectivement. Du coup, là pour l'instant, ça prend l'air, mais ça devrait être un tout petit peu calme. Du coup, là, on sort les animatroniques. Tout ça. Ils ont fait pour la discriminer que ça.
Welcome to Freddy Fazbear's Pizza, a magical place for kids and grown-ups alike, where fantasy and fun come to life. Fazbear Entertainment is not responsible for damage to property or person. Upon discovering that damage or death has occurred, a missing person report will be filed within 90 days or as soon as property and will get a bit quirky at night, but do I blame them? No. If I were forced to sing those same stupid songs for 20 years and I never got a bath, I'd probably be a bit irritable at night too. So remember, these characters hold a special place in the hearts of children and we need to show them a little respect, right? Okay. So just be aware, the characters do tend to wander a bit. They're left in some kind of free roaming mode at night. Something about their servos locking up, they get turned off for too long. They used to be allowed to walk around during the day too, but then there was the bite of 87. Yeah. It's amazing that the human body can live without the frontal lobe, you know? Now, concerning your safety, the only real risk to you as a night watchman here, if any, is the fact that these characters, if they happen to see you after hours, probably won't recognize you as a person. They'll most likely see you as a metal endoskeleton without its costume on. Now, since that's against the rules here at Freddy Fazbear's Pizza, they'll probably try to forcefully stuff you inside a Freddy Fazbear suit. Now, that wouldn't be so bad if the suits themselves weren't filled with cross beams, wires, and animatronic devices, especially around the facial area. So you can imagine how having your head forcefully pressed inside one of those could cause a bit of discomfort and death. The only parts of you that would likely see the light of day again would be your eyeballs and teeth that pop out the front of the mask. Yeah, they don't tell you these things when you sign up. But hey, first station of the breeze.
Oh putain, il y en a qui a bougé, oh putain, il est où? Voilà, je vous avais dit, j'aurais des fois il bouge, voilà, il est là. Putain, faut faire gaffe. La vie, faut que tu restes là. Putain. Chier. Je vais vous mettre pièce. Du coup, la vidéo est finie. À la prochaine. Bonne journée.